Hey everyone, myself Ritika Rawat, a Java Internet TechnoHacks and a MSc Bioinformatics student. So in this video, I will walk you through my task first of my internship, where I built a simple but powerful task manager using Java object-oriented programming principle. So this project helped me real world application via object-oriented programming concept. So for building this project and the code, I mainly used four main principles of Java, which was inheritance to define different types of tasks, and second was encapsulation to protect task data, and third was abstraction to simplify complex logic, and fourth was modularity to keep code clean and extendable. So this was the main function of this code, and which helps me to build a successful Java program. So let's run my code, which is my main project name was project manager, so I am running the project. So here comes the interface where a project manager is the title, and the three are the main consequences where we have to create a project or view project and exit. So first, if I want to create a project, I enter first. It asks me enter project name. I enter my project name as bioinformatics, and I have to add project description for this project what I have to do. So I enter as Xpassi server development. So after completing my project, first created my first project, it is again coming, again came in the same interface. So I want to create again a second project, which I name as a clinical research. Then my project description I named as human clinical trial. So here I created my two projects. So if I want to view, after entering two, I can view my two projects which I have created. So in this project, I can see and create multiple projects, through which it helps me to view the projects in a chronological order, and the things to remind what I have to do in a project. So after completing this to create a project, and after viewing it, I want to exit. So if we want to exit, we simply click 3 and we get exit from the project. So here I created separate classes for task user and task manager, allowing clean organization and usability. So here users could add, view or exit easily via the console. So by working on this mini project, I really understood how Java object-oriented program forms the backbone of structured programming. So this task was both fun and educational. It gave me the confidence to structure real applications in Java. So I thanks to my mentors for giving me this opportunity to build a project and to understand Java concepts, and especially TechnoHacks to give this opportunity for this internship. Stay tuned for next task second, where I take the next big step into web development. Thank you so much, my audience.